Hello everyone. So today I'm going to create amazing 3 Android application in Android Studio. Just you have to watch this video until the last and you will be also able to make those Android application in Android Studio. Android Studio is one of the amazing tool. So using this tool you will be able to create the amazing types of the Android application. So hoping that you will watch this video until the last to create those 3 Android application. So I'm going to mention all the codes and I'm giving you all the source code in the video description. You can check all the source code from the video description link. Okay, just you have to follow that link and you will get all the source code. So using those few steps only, you will be easily create those 3 Android application. So today I'm going to create a QR code application and I will create a torchlight application and I'll create a PDF reader application. So in this video I'm going to create especially 3 Android application. The first one is the torch Android application and the second one is the QR code reader application. Okay, and the third one is I'm going to create the PDF reader Android application in Android Studio. So it is too much easy and it is too much fast to create those applications. Just you have to watch this video until the last. Hello everyone, it's me Dipesh. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want to this kind of contents on my YouTube channel in daily basis, please let me know in the comment sections and I'll make several videos on your demand also. Okay, so without any late, let's begin to create our 3 Android application in Android Studio. Guys, first of all we are going to create our torchlight application. So it is too much easy to create torchlight Android application in Android Studio. So using those few steps codes or few line codes only, you will be able to create your first torchlight Android application. Just you have to follow all the steps to create your torchlight Android application in Android Studio. So without any late, let's begin to create our first torchlight Android application in Android Studio. So guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to create the 3 easiest application in few minutes in single video. So in this time I'm using the Android version 4.1.1, maybe the 4.2 also coming soon. But when I'm making this video, in this time I'm making a video, or I'm using the Android Studio, and the version is the 4.1.1. So first of all I'm just creating a new project. So I'm just clicking in the create a new project, and after this just choose the empty activity, then just click next. So I'm just making a demo. Sorry, I'm just making an application, 3 application. Okay, and after this I'm just choosing the API 16, or I think I should to make it API 21. Okay, then after this just click in the finish. So after a few minutes my Android Studio will create a new project for me. So it's taking a little bit time. It depends on your computer speed. So just wait for a moment. So guys, first of all I'm going to create the simple types of UI in MS Paint. So it will be the basically the simple types of UI. So after using this UI I'll create those 3 Android application. Okay, so without any late, let's begin to create our user interface in MS Paint. So guys, until finishing the all the process, so I'm just preparing a UI. So for this one I'm just opening a MS Paint. Okay, and after this I think I should to create a simple type of UI to show you all the examples which will be mentioned in this video. Okay, so I'm resizing this one, and This will be my turn on button, and this will be my turn off button. Okay, this will be my turn on, and this will be my turn off. Okay, and after this I think I should to make it this one like this. Yeah, and after this I'll make a QR code reader. So for this one again I'll use a rectangle shape. So this will be my QR code reader, and I'll make a PDF viewer here. Okay, so this will be my simple type of the UI. So it will be a QR code reader, and this will be PDF viewer, and this will be torch on. Okay, so I am just resizing this one, and okay, and this will be torch off. Okay, torch off. Okay, so this will be my simple type of UI, and I'll design like this kind of application. So I think my all the projects is completed. So now I'll start to design all my layout. So now my all the process has been completed. So guys, now I'm going to navigate my buttons here. So for this one, just type the power on. Okay, and I'm just typecasting this one by button, and I'm going to type the find view by id and r.id dot power on. Okay, and I'm just typing the power off and button. Okay, and find view by id r.id dot power off. So in this time I'm creating a torchlight application inside Android Studio. So it's taking little bit time because my machine is not working properly. So I'm just using the power on dot set on click listener, a new view dot on click listener. Okay, so it will be for the torch on. Okay, and for the power off, set on click listener, and I'm just using new view dot on click listener, and this code will be for the power off, right? For the torch off. Okay, so this both block will work for my two buttons. Okay, so it's taking little bit time. So guys, my Android application also already installed inside my smartphone. So now you can see here, and this is the interface. Okay, so to create a torchlight, just you can search a lantern dependency. Okay, so just type this one and you will get this one. So I'm going to give you this dependency link in my video description also. You can check that one. So I'm just opening this one. So using this dependency you can create a flashlight application using in few steps. So after this, just you have to select this one. Okay, and I think the latest version means, okay, so it's taking a little bit time. Okay, so So just you have to open your build.gradle file. Okay, I'm clicking here and build.gradle module the application if. So after this, just go to inside in the dependency and just paste the dependency and make it, okay, make it 2.0.0. okay. Oh, just wait for a moment. 2.0.0. so the version should be 2.0.0, and after this just click in the sync now. So it's syncing all the files, so it's inputting all the files and it's indexing also. So after the completion of the syncing the files, so you have to use methods, so which will be you have to create this one. Okay, so first of all you have to turn on this the permission inside your Android application. So I'm just giving those permission to my Android application inside the android.manifest file. So I'm just going to here and I'm just pasting those codes here. Okay, and you have to give this permission also. So I'm just giving this feature also. So in this time I think usage feature should be like this. Okay, and after this just so now I can create an object inside my main.activity.java. so after this it's telling me that so now I'm going to create a lantern. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new object from here. So lantern. Okay, so I'm just giving the torch new. Okay, and I'm just giving this one. Okay, so I'm just giving the main.activity dot this and dot, and just you have to give the check and request system permission and the observe cycle. Check the request permission and the observe cycle true. Okay, I think the true should not be like this, so I think I should to make it this. Okay, so after this you have to you can use your torchlight here. So I'm just giving lantern dot. Okay, so just wait for a moment, I think it will take a little bit time. So now for the for this one, lantern dot torchlight. Okay, so guys, after writing this code, so I am just typing the main activity dot this. Okay, so now I have to use those torch dot I think I should use the init torch or what. I think I should to make it. Okay, so guys, after this you have to type just lantern
and enable torch mode and just make it true, and this one should be the lantern dot enable torch mode and it should be false, and after this just make it a close. Okay, so after running this one it will definitely work.
So after creating our first torchlight Android application in Android Studio, now we are creating another QR code reader Android application in Android Studio. So QR code reader Android application will read our QR code and it will be very useful. So if you want to also create your QR code reader Android application in Android Studio, then you have to follow all the steps, and you can copy all the source code from the video description also. Just or you can type, or you can write your own code also in Android Studio. So without any late, let's begin to create our QR code reader Android application in Android Studio. So guys, now we are going to create our second Android application, which is QR code reader Android application. It is too much easy to create the QR code reader Android application. So first of all, in our activity underscore main.xml, now you can see here I have already prepared. Now you can see here is a few codes. I have created a text view, and inside the text view here is a text that is QR code reader, and I am using the intent. So I have navigating this text view here, and after that I am inside the QR. Where is the QR? So I have to search this one. So now you can see here I am just using a set on click listener. It means when I will click inside on this text view, then it will open the another activity, which is the QR code dot class. Okay, so after clicking in the QR code text view, then I will go to inside the QR code dot class. Maybe you already know this one. So if you have still any kind of confusion, so I am going to give you the source code in the video description. You can check that one. Okay, so after this one, so now I have already created a QR code .java from here. So just you have to right click here, okay, and just go to in the new, and then after that just go to the activity, then just choose the empty activity. Okay, and from here so I give the QR code.java. Okay, but you have to tick in the generate a layout file, but in this time I am not using this one because I have already created the QR code.java. So I am doing this one because I have to save the time, and the video will be too much long. That's why I am going to use the already created Java file and the layout file also. Okay, so after this you have to use this dependency. So first of all you have to implement this one, then for the second one you have to use this one, the Dexter implementation. So first for this one just go to in the Google, and from here you can use this one. For example, just you have to type QR code reader dependency. Okay, and after that one just you have to press the enter, and after that you have to choose this link. So I'm going to give you this dependency link also in the video description. Just wait for a moment, it's opening. So from here you will get the dependency and you can choose this one. Okay, and you can use this dependency to create this application. So after this one the second dependency is the Karumi Dexter. So now after implementing the first dependency, just you have to use this one, the Karumi Dexter dependency. Okay, so for this one also you have to go in the Google, then you have to search the Dexter dependency. Okay, then after that you will get this one, the Karumi Dexter, and just open this link. So I'll give this dependency link also in the video description. You can check that link. So after this just you have to copy the dependency from here. Okay, so this is also very important when you are creating the QR code reader Android application in Android Studio. So just you have to select this one and you have to copy this dependency and you can use this one. So after this one, just you have to click in the sync now. So just you have to click in the sync now, and after that you can see here the Gradle build file is bringing all the files. Okay, so it is taking a little bit time. So after syncing all the files, just you have to go in the QR code .java file. So first of all, you have to create a layout. So now you can see here, so this is the frame layout. So for this one also you don't have to do anything, just go to inside the QR code scanner link, then after that you have to copy all the code. Okay, so from here you have to you can copy all the codes. After copying all the codes, just you can paste it inside here, inside the activity, the QR code XML. But after that one, just you have to create a text view, and you have to give the ID also. So here is I have already give the ID layout with everything else, so I'm giving you the source code also. Okay, so after creating the code scanner view and after creating the text view, you have to go in the QR code Java and you have to navigate them. So first of all, you have to assign a code scanner view, and I am assigning this one here. Okay, code scanner view. So I'm just giving it the name scanner view. Okay, so after this you have to assign the text view also. So I'm just assigning this one here. Okay, so after that just you have to import the code scanner class. So I'm just importing this one, code scanner. So this is also related with the same package with the QR code scanner. So after that you have to create this class. You have to use the code scanner dot set decode callback. Okay, so I am just using this one. Okay, yeah, now after this just you have to use this one. Okay, so now you can see here. So first of all you have to assign that scanner view inside the code scanner. So just you have to type the code scanner is equal to new code scanner and QR code dot this and scanner view. So after assigning that scanner view inside the code scanner, you can use a method set decode callback, and after that you have to create a run on UI create, and you have to use a runnable method. If you didn't use this method, you will get the error, or you will your app will crash. So that's why you have to use the run on UI thread. It is very important. Okay, so inside the run on UI thread method, you have to use a public void run method, and inside this one just you have to set the text from the result dot get text. Okay, it means inside the text view you have to set the text from the result. Okay, so after assigning that one, so after decoding all the files, you can set all the text inside your text view. Okay, so it means so after using this code, your QR code scanner will start to work, but you have to use this code. Okay, again, because if you didn't use this one, every time you have to go in the back, and after that only you will be able to use the QR code. So that's why you have to use this one. Okay, so for this one scanner view, so every time when I will click inside the scanner view, in that time this code should be run. Okay, so every time when I will click inside the scanner view, then every time the code scanner will start to preview. So after that you have to use this method also. So inside the resume method, okay, so just wait for a moment. So I am just using this one. Okay, so now you can see here, so I'm creating this method on resume outside of the onCreate method. Okay, so don't create the onResume method inside the onCreate method. So outside of the onCreate method you have to create the onResume method. So inside the onResume you have to use these two methods. The first one is the super.onResume, and the second method is ask for camera. So to use the ask for camera, just you have to use this method. Okay, so now you can see here, for this one you have to use the Dexter, and it will give the permission. And now you can see there are different kind of the permission available. So when your permission is granted, then after that the code scanner start the preview, and when the permission is denied, in that case you have your toast will start to work. Then after, when on permission rational should be down, then in that case you will use the permission token continue permission on request. So and in the last it will check. Okay, so after that just you can use this one also, public void on back pressed, super dot on back pressed. So after this one, so I am just running my application. So just wait for a moment, what will happen, let's have a look. So it is installing the file. So if you want to also use this code, just check the video link. Okay, and you can get that link from my video description. So it's installing all the files, it will take little bit time. So now I'm going to inside my smartphone. Now you can see here is a QR code reader, right? So this is already I have created. So this is the torchlight and this is the QR code reader. And here, so after this one, so I'm just using the QR code. So just wait for a moment. I'm using this QR code, which is I have already created by myself. So when I will click inside the QR code reader, okay, so now you can see here, now you can see here it's giving me the result, right? When I'm using this QR code, so inside here it is giving me this result, and when I will click here again, it will start to work again, right? So this is it's working properly, and when I'll back press, and it will go in the home menu, right? Hoping that you will be also able to create the QR code reader Android application after watching this video. So guys, now we are going to create our third Android application, that will be PDFreader Android application. So without any late, let's begin to create our third Android application, which will be the PDFreader Android application. We will create this application also using the Android Studio. So without any late, let's move on to our Android Studio. So now let's move on to create our another Android application, which is the PDFreader. Okay, so for this one, just go to in the Android and in the app new, and I am creating another activity. So that is also the empty activity, and this is the PDF reader. Okay, and I'm just clicking in the finish. So until that, so just go to in the activity underscore main.xml and go to in the code. So I am just copying all this code and copying this one again and pasting inside here and changing the ID, and the ID name is the PDF. Okay, so after that, when I'll go to inside the design, now you can see here there are the two text view available. So I will change the text also. So this is the PDF view reader. So I'm making this one according to our UI. Okay, so this is our UI, right? So now we are creating a PDF viewer. So I'm just going to inside Android Studio. So reader, okay, and I'm just changing the color also. I want to change this one, so I'm just using this one color. Okay, I think I should to use it black, so I am using this one black. Okay, so inside the so now you can see here inside my design also. So there is a two view available. The first one is the QR code reader, we have already finished. Now we are working in our third application, that is PDFreader application. So in this time I am going to inside the main activity.java. so now I am going to navigate the text view. So I am just using the PDF and I am writing above code is for QR code, and now I am just using the PDF is equal to text view and find view by id r.id.pdf. okay, and after that I am just using a onClick listener again, set onClick listener and new view onClick listener. So in this time also I am using the intent is called to new intent, and inside this one main.activity. okay, main activity dot this to, oh sorry, I'm just using the wrong spelling, this to which one, I think the PDF reader, right? PDF reader dot class. okay, and I'm just closing this one, then start activity and intent. We are again assigning our PDF text view to our QR code, to our PDFreader.java. okay, so here also I'm going to now after doing all these things, I'm using a dependency, the third dependency. So that is, thus you have to type the PDF reader dependency. okay, and you have to use this one bracket KSC Android PDF viewer. So it will take little bit time. okay, so after opening this one, just you have to copy the dependency. So I am just copying all the dependency from here, just you have to use this one. So there is a two implementations available. The first one is the beta version and the second one is the stable version. So I am using the stable version, so I am just copying this dependency and I am going to inside the build.gradle file, and again I am pasting this code and I am syncing now. okay, so it is syncing all the files and it's now you can see it's done, right? So after this one, go to in the project and you have to right click, okay, and just click in the new, and after that just go to in the folder and you have to choose the assessed folder. So after this, just it will ask the target source set, it is okay, and just click in the finish. So it's creating a text folder, sorry. So now you can see here it's already created a assessed directory. okay, so now I am just going to inside my computer and I am just copying this one. So inside my assessed, just paste your file. So here now you can see this is the id card.pdf. okay, so I think I should to use another one. So okay, so now Okay, so now I'm copying this PDF file from my computer, and I'm just copying by pressing Ctrl plus C, and I'm going to inside my Android Studio, and I'm just pasting that PDF file here. So Ctrl plus P and click in the refractor. Okay, so now you can see here inside my assist folder there is a syllabus. Okay, so there is a PDF file. So after this I'm going to inside my activity PDFreader. So I'm going to in the code. Okay, so after this I'm just using a PDF viewer. Okay, PDF view, and just use this one match parent and again match parent, and I'm just close sorry, and I'm giving the ID is PDF view. Okay, and I'm just closing this one. So I have to navigate this PDF view inside my Java file. So I am just using the PDF view, okay, PDF view. What's happening here? I think it is not working right now. PDF view, okay. So I think still it is not working right now here. Okay, so after this I am just navigating my PDF view here. So I am just typing the PDF so after this one I am using the so after this one I am navigating my PDF view inside my Java file. So just you have to type the PDF view and just type the PDF view. So it's giving me error, so I'm pressing Alt plus enter. So now you can see it's already imported all the packages. Okay, so after this just you have to navigate this one here. So PDF view is called to PDF view and find view by id r.id.pdf. okay, so after this I am just closing this one. So I think this is the PDF view, right? So PDF view, okay. So now just you have to PDF view dot from assist, and you have to use the, so I think I'm going to inside my assist folder. So it have too much long name, right? So that's why I have to type all the name here. So inside the double inverted comma you have to give the syllabus for basic course and dot PDF, and after that just you have to use dot load. Okay, so after that I am just running this application again. So it's taking little bit time, so just wait for a moment. Okay, so it will take little bit time. So it's all the Gradle build file is running. Hoping that you get few ideas to create 3 Android application on this video. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to make several videos on that topic also. So if you get some quality content from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.